So if you're having problems with the Riot client here and you're not getting any interconnection or you're getting the no internet found issue on when you're opening Riot client, well, the first thing that you may want to do is you want to check if you do have internet connection on your PC. That's typically at the bottom right here. You should see like connection. If you're using like Ethernet cable, this is what it should look like. It should say internet access. Now, if it says otherwise, anything other than internet access, it means that you're currently having an internet problem. So you may want to restart your router and see if that helps. Now, if you already have internet connection, well, there are other things that you could try doing here. Now, first things first is you may want to access command prompt. So you want to go to the search bar here, just type in CMD, and you want to go right click on command prompt and just choose run as administrator. Now, in here, you want to go and just type in the following commands. So the first command here is going to be IP config space, then /, then flush DNS, and just press enter. Next thing that you want to enter is going to be net sh space win sock space reset, and just press enter. Once you've done this, you want to go and just start your PC and see if that helps. Now, if that doesn't help, the next and following thing that you try doing here is you may want to use a different DNS. Now, sometimes, depending on what DNS you're currently using, this might cause problems. So, what you need to do is you want to go to your search bar here, just type in network. Now, you want to go and just open up view network connections. Now, inside network connections, you want to go identify which connection you're currently using. Now, if you're using an internet cable for your connection, you want to look for something Ethernet, as long as you have like internet on it. So in this case, I'm using Ethernet here. Now, if you're using like Wi-Fi, you want to go and select Wi-Fi. But let's go and click on Internet, click on Properties. You want to go and look for the option here that says Internet Protocol version 4 or IPv4. Select that, click on Properties, and you want to go and just choose the following option. Now, you want to just change the following option here to use the following DNS server addresses. And you want to go and type in the preferred DNS and the alternate DNS server. Now, for the preferred DNS server, you want to go and use 8.8.8.8. Alternate DNS server is going to be 8.8.4.4. Now, go and click on OK. Click on Close. And restart your PC and see if that helps. And that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.